Hello everyone, how are you? So today I'm gonna show you how to create a React setup, how to set up React. So basically I've created this folder called React PR. Now I'll create a file. No, I don't no, I'm sorry, no need to create a file. Just go to terminal and I'm using the vite technology. I can see this vite technology to set up our project. So we're using basically npm. So with npm we have to run this command. Just copy it and run it. So he will ask for your project name. I'm saying just like test. Now I have to select the framework. I'm using React, and here the variant, I'm using JavaScript. You can select as per your needs. Okay, so the next task is cd. I have to dig into the file test. Great. Now I have to install just like npm, and we should wait for it. It will take some time but not much. After installing it, yeah, we got it. Yeah, great. I have no vulnerabilities. You make sure you should also have 0 vulnerabilities. And the next task is we're gonna run it npm run the easy. Now just follow the link, and yeah, we got our website React running. Great. As you can see in this, so let's test something like we're gonna go on app.jsx, and I'm just gonna cut the whole thing, and I'll use this backticks, and I'm just typing hello. Let's check. Yeah, great, this works. So this is how you can create easily your React project or set up your React. Thank you.